Okay, so I did a previous video on the Higonokami friction folder knife, and the previous one that I reviewed was just a little bit small for my hand, but I wanted to get another one, and I got to looking and I found out they have some that are a little bit larger. So I did some looking online, found this one on, I believe it was Etsy, and I had a store credit, so I was like, you know what, let me go in and grab this. It's actually about an inch longer blade and about an inch longer handle, which suits my hand a whole lot better. But it's that same simple Japanese construction, hand forged blade, white paper steel that just gets scary sharp. I mean, you can see the edge on this thing is just an absolute laser beam. And that stuff just sharpens up like none other. I mean, you touch it to a porcelain honing rod or even the edge of a truck window or something like that, the bottom of a coffee mug, and it's gonna get scary sharp. And as you can see, it's got the layered steel, that white paper or blue paper steel that they use. They finished this one just a little bit differently. If you look, there's a middle section that some of them, this was different from my previous one, and it actually made me wonder, like, is this an authentic one? But I got to looking and I talked to a couple people, and sure enough, it is authentic. But this little section right here where my thumb is just a little bit different. It's almost like a micro stippling. When you run your finger across it, you can feel a slight texture, almost like a diamond stone that you would sharpen with, but the flats and the bevel otherwise are smooth. So if you see that, don't worry too much. It's just a, just a feature of how they grind these things down. And I wouldn't be worried too much. But if you look at the spine, if you look at the little thumb tab, let's see if we can catch it in the light. There's a very small, almost like a gray line that runs through it. And that is how you can tell that it is actually the authentic layered steel. It's got the Japanese lettering on it, on the handle and the blade. And it's that same old Higonokami you come to know and love. This ran me, I think, 28 bucks, but like I said, I had an in-store credit, so I used that, and I couldn't be happier with it.